Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session I just want to share with you the idea but before we move to our video, if you learned something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, so friends, some of our friends basically they have only Raspberry Pi 4 as their desktop. Okay, they don't have any Windows machine. Okay, only they have this is what the Raspberry Pi 4 as their main computer system or main desktop. Okay, and for that, of course, suppose they want to create a dual boot system on the Raspberry Pi 4. Dual boot means right now I have here one SD card with Kali Linux, which is the latest version, and as you can see I have right now it's power on with the Kali Linux 202 1.2, which is currently I have using here. Okay, so right now the Raspberry Pi 4 boot with the Kali Linux, but friends, here I want basically use the Kali Linux also the Raspbian OS. Okay, so in that time you can use the dual boot system. Basically you can use the USB boot system. Okay, so one card is basically I have here with the Kali Linux, and another one is, as you can see, this is what the card reader. Okay, and inside that card reader, I have here another SD card. As you can see, another SD card, and this SD card is basically with the Raspbian OS. Okay, so I just want to create here a dual boot system, so I can use here a USB boot system with the Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, so simply I have activate here a USB boot system, and then if I want to boot with the Raspbian OS, I just want to connect this card reader to Raspberry Pi 4, and then I can basically create a dual boot system. Means I can able to boot with Kali Linux, also I can able to boot with Raspbian OS. Okay, so right now, as I told you, you can see here I have already basically I have right now booting with the Kali Linux. So I'm going to insert this SD card with the Raspberry Pi 4, and then we can boot with the Raspbian OS. Okay, so friends, as you can see, I have connect our card reader with Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, and now it's our Raspberry Pi 4 is basically boot with the USB, and here as you can see now this is what our Raspbian OS. So, and here as you can see there is the another SD card, as you can see here, I hope. Okay, give me just a minute. As you can see, there is the partition of boot partition and root FS partition. This two partition is basically our Kali Linux partition, because I have right now two SD card inside with our Raspberry Pi 4. One is basically the slot where we can put our card, and another one is with our card reader. But right now our Raspberry Pi 4 is booting with the Raspbian OS. So simply if I want to boot with the Kali Linux, simply I just want to remove the card reader, and of course Raspberry Pi 4 will boot with the Kali Linux. If I want to boot with the Raspbian OS, again I just want to plug this USB card reader with the Raspberry Pi 4, and I can just boot with Raspbian OS. So this is the way, friends, you can create the dual boot system with the Raspberry Pi 4 using USB service or using USB boot system on Raspberry Pi 4. I hope this idea will help us to create the dual boot system on Raspberry Pi 4. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.